Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining. And we have mm, some news. I would say news. It's relatively good news, but there's also some rumors to it as well. But we're gonna get into that. What I want you guys to do is smash the like button. I would really, really appreciate it if you guys do that, hitting the like button and also subscribe. HBO people again, HBO help a brother out. Um, we are a Jamaican platform and we're definitely looking forward to grow as any other platform. And the only way for us to grow is if the Jamaicans in the country and also in the diaspora support our platform. Because what I realize is that a lot of people are subscribing, but they're not, you can imagine, not Jamaicans. These people are non-Jamaicans. I have so much people who are non-Jamaicans who are interested in what I do. And funny enough, Jamaicans are not interested. And I'm talking about stuff with Jamaicans. But what I realize is this in psychology, when I was studying psychology, the teacher said something that people close to you won't support you. I found it really, really weird. Because I normally that, yeah. But what I found is that they said that the higher you go up the table, is the more likely the closer people to are they're going to be more supportive. So something like that. So until I'm big, that is when I might get support from Jamaican people, and then Jamaican people will start subscribing to the channel. But until then, I will continue to do the work. Massive respect. So I want to give a little shout out to my members, my channel members: D. Linton, AJ Brown, Jermaine Swaby, Ronaldo Cardner, the original Zilla, and Devant News. Massive respect for joining the family. The link is in the description if you want to join the family, people. So we're going to go straight into the video now. People, Shamar Nicholson has been linked with three different moves. It's actually four, but I'm going to be speaking about three of them. It's four, but I will be speaking about three of them. Let me see. Okay. Good. So it's actually four, but I'm going to be speaking about three of them, people. Why? One of them is actually, I will put it as a rumor mill. The other one, no, I did some research and I got to find out that there is a bit of water at the well. There's a bit of water at the well. So Shamar Nicholson did an interview. He did an interview, and that was covered by Sports. Let me see if I can get the name correct. Yes, Sports Witness. .co UK. A journalist company. They do the blogging and all those. So it's Global Football Intelligence. That's what their motto is. He did an interview and he spoke about the idea of Arsenal, him being a big Arsenal fan, and that's where his ambition lies. But definitely I got in a little bit more detail in regards to the two clubs. So let's get straight into it. This is what I tweeted. Let me move away from there. This is what I tweeted. Reports coming out are that Everton, Southampton, and Rangers are interested in acquiring the services of Reggae Boy striker Shamar Nicholson. The 24-year-old Jamaican is the key talisman in for our Charleroi SC in the Belgian Pro League. Now, when I saw the reports, I like, what's going on here? This is interesting for me personally. Oh, before we do anything, guys, put it in the comment section. Which one of these clubs you think right now? Put that in the comment section right now. Which one of these clubs you believe would be the right move for Shamar Nicholson? Let me bring it up so you guys can see clearly the three clubs. They are Everton, Rangers, and Southampton. Which one of these clubs do you believe would be a good move? So put that in the comment section right now. And whilst you're doing that, make sure you hit the like button. All right, so from the article, I'm going over to the article. I won't read everything in the article. So it said, the Belgian outlet DH told features a story on Charlotte who could soon be moving out. Okay, so it's basically saying that he'll soon be moving out of the Belgian Pro League. With 8 goals and 3 assists this season, he's by far the team's most productive player in the attack. And that only increases the chance of a January transfer. January transfer, let's see. And when speaking of potential destination for Nicholson, DH had to give this. I think they're speaking about his agent. This could also be a summarization of the agent bidding, throwing out their bidding war. They give mention to Arsenal, whom the striker is a big fan of. So definitely, he's saying that Arsenal is also one of those in the waters. The 25-year-old may not be a Gunners level yet. I think he's 24. He's 24. Why did they put 25? May not be at the Gunners level yet because, as written in the report, he does not claim to be able to play there. Still, it said it's a dream. It is a dream. He become he being a part of the Premier League for him. Let's read a bit further. Ooh. Nicholson's ambition to play out of Belgium are the main reason why a transfer is likely. And despite DH making it clear, he could bid for him who could bid for him in the near future. They said that Shalora are already looking for a replacement. People are loud noise, man. Shalora are already looking for a replacement for the Jamaican player. Given his wish of moving to England, it would be surprised to see a Premier League club engaging in talks for him, as Arsenal still sounds like a destined dream. So definitely, reports are that scouts from Everton, Southampton, and Rangers were all looking at him against Anderlecht on Saturday. So these are the reports that are coming out in regards to Shamar Nicholson. So scouts from Everton, Rangers, and Southampton came to have a good look at him to see what he has to offer. Even though they said that Arsenal, it could be that the interview that he did was actually the leading factor in regards to Arsenal being mentioned. Him saying that that's where his dream is at. But definitely, this could be a stepping stone, if that is the case, to his dream move if he wants to be on that level and playing at football at that level. But definitely, I believe that he has the potential. He's a young striker. We've seen, despite us arguing a lot of the time about Shamar Nicholson, this and that, he does have that potential. A very good young striker. He has a lot of the things already: the height, the physicality, the speed, the technical ability, and we have seen that over and over again. Now, the only aspect I believe that he would definitely need to work on is his finishing, and definitely he would be a very, very good package in regards to a striker, a overall compound striker. At that age, yes, we will see a lot more from Shamar Nicholson. So, guys, please remember to smash the like button. These are the reports that are coming out. I just read it. So it's coming from let me see if I could bring up. So these reports are coming from Sports Witness. Let me share their platform with you guys so you guys can go and search. And whilst you're searching and you're on Twitter, my Twitter link is actually in the comment section. So please do and go over there and follow my page. So this is it, Sports Witness. The media world, the world's football media in one place, transfer updates from around the planet. So they have like 100,000 followers. So it's saying this is where the article is at. So if you want to go and have a read, please do so and help yourself and definitely respect. So that's it for me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Military Guna TV people, and like, share, and subscribe. I am out, people. Have a good one.